Are you using a professional inventory? Are you managing stocks? And are you an SAP user? If that is the case, I am sure that my course SAP S/4HANA Inventory and Basic Warehouse Management will be useful to you. In this course, we will see several aspects of SAP S/4HANA Inventory and Basic Warehouse Management. We will see how to combine the stock management with other core processes of SAP, such as Material Master or Quality Management, to optimize the transition in product lifecycle management from operational procurement to invoice and payables management. We will, of course, have a look in the system and see how to perform a goods receipt in the transaction MIGO and how to register stock in your SAP system. If you manage inventory and stock, I am sure that I will see you soon in the course. Looking forward.